it's Bella. So I want to show y'all the Airbnb we're staying in around Lake Atitlan in Guatemala. Right here, I'm standing by the door, and then right here you can see a nice seating area for dinner, and then they have like a living room area, and then out there is the balcony. You can go downstairs right here. But let's go into the kitchen really quick. So in here, they had all the stuff we needed. We're actually on our way out. That's why I'm speaking past tense. They had all the stuff we needed, coffee, stove, everything. They even had a water jug here for us. And let's go out here so I can really show y'all the view. So y'all saw, I came out here y'all will see I came out here every morning because we were waking up at like 6 a.m. So I just would come out and see what it's looking like. So you can see down there is the hot tub and little stairs. You have to go out to the front to get to it. But look at this. All of these are volcanoes. And these are all like the other little towns around the lake. Down there is Panajachel. So we're staying in Santa Catarina Polopo. So last night we actually seen like a little party boat down there. They had the lights and they were playing the music. But everything else up here was just super dark. Like, it was so peaceful. We sit up here for a while. So let me go downstairs and show you guys where the beds are. So they have the, I guess, master bedroom down here with the big bed. And then it opens up like this. And the bathrooms around here. So we had some nice showers here. Water pressure is a little low, I'll tell y'all that. Then this is the sink area. And that's pretty much it. It's only one bathroom here, but it was enough for us. And then this door, how's this? Oh, it goes like this back in here. And then over here, you can see the view. Oh, I'll show y'all the hot tub down here. From right here. Down there, and this is the view from right here. And then when you go up these steps, they had two, I guess, twin size beds. So I slept here, my cousin slept here, and then you had these windows with this view. They have a little shelf here. Pretty much all of these windows open up. One down there opens up. That one over there opens. This is the one that we opened a lot. Just caught the view from right here. So then what I'll do is I'll go down there and show you guys the view from there and the hot tub and everything. So I want to show you guys outside. So we have this entryway. So on the other side over there is the other lofts. And then that's like the front door to the rest of them. And then we have this entrance here. Wait, there's a, so out here is how we get down to the hot tub. And then we have this beautiful view. So I'll take you guys down. And then look at this down here. That's the hot tub. We actually didn't end up using it. I kind of wish we would have stayed a little longer because it is just absolutely beautiful out here. And then I think there are other like places to rent down there as well. And like down there closer to the lake, there's places down there. You can kind of see. So this is the like bottom level balcony, because there's also the top level up there. So that's the Airbnb tour. I really think it was amazing. Like, high point of this place was definitely the view. Pretty much every place that you're gonna get around the lake, you know, has a beautiful view like this, so you really can't go wrong. But this place, the whole loft style, it really did it for me. So let me know what y'all think. Are y'all like this? I already know y'all do. It's all right. Ooh, what is that? Sound like a bug. Never mind, it was the street. Anyway, that's it. So I will see you guys. We are on our way to our next destination. Yes. So